Hi there, this is Josh and welcome to my channel. Last month, I met a friend in Hong Kong which has shown me around, and so I want to share with you all 10 things that you should know when you visit Hong Kong in year 2024. The drone show is really cool and is seasonal. Last time on the sky is the cartoon character Doraemon, and the one before is Dragon Boat. Super cool. All these are actually free and your kids can easily spend a few hours there. I personally recommend to go to the Promenade one, as you can also see the Victoria Harbour scenery.